Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. In this video we're going to look at something called Project Neon, which is part of Redstone 3. And Project Neon is a new way of doing visual highlights in Windows 10 apps that Microsoft are kind of experimenting with at the moment in the Redstone development phase, and we'll probably find more about it at Build, the Microsoft conference coming up next week. But I wanted to show some of the apps that are now supporting that. So it's an app thing, so the apps have to be updated to support it. But let me show you. There's a few apps that support it. I'll show you which ones. So we're going to start with Groove. Now, if I go, there's ways of simulating both ways before and after. So this is Groove Music app, and if you noticed here, if you tried this on a pre-Redstone 3 build, even the same build of Groove Music, it would be playing grey with highlights, but just plain grey with a sort of an outline highlight. And here you can see how as I move my mouse left to right, it follows, the highlight follows you, and it's just a nicer looking UI, a bit more interesting than the previous sort of grey way of doing it. I also noticed as well that that's what it looks like in Windows 10 Creators Update, and there you see what it looks like with Redstone 3. Now there's a bit of transparency, you can see the blue behind. If I open another window like this Microsoft Edge, and you can see the transparency, you can see the red coming through there, and if I full screen it, you can see there. So it gives you that sort of visual metaphor that there's something behind there, which you can see the red and the peeking through. So that's a good example of it. One of the other apps that's picked up the update is the People app, and it has the same effect there. You can see that highlighting and the transparency, you can just about see behind it. And another one is the Pictures app, and again it's harder to see on this, but that transparency there is behind. You can see there the blue showing through there, and if I move it up there you can see the transparency effect there. Another app with the change is the Movies and TV app, and you can see exactly the same, the Film and TV app, as it crashes, exactly the same effect. So that's really what Project Neon is. It's this translucency with a bit of highlighting, and it just makes the UI a little bit more interesting, a bit more lively. Project Neon is also about scaling as well, and how things scale and groove. See how the background there in Groove is peeking through, and I think the image should resize depending on the screen resolution. That's part of it as well, the way that things move around as you resize them, as well as the translucency. So there, a quick look at Project Neon. I'm sure there's a lot more to come, and I'm sure we'll find out more at Build. You can find more videos on our YouTube channel and on thedigitalLifestyle.com.